What if a Photoshop user uses Picsart to create photo manipulation? In this video, what is up warriors? In this video, I'm going to show you how I created this flying through portal photo manipulation, which is actually done in Photoshop, but I'm going to do it in Picsart. But before that, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel now. Now let's get started with our photo manipulation. So we have here our image opened in Picsart. First thing we're going to do is to crop this image first. Okay, press on check. And then scroll down to cut out and press on person. Now we're going to remove some parts by clicking the eraser tool, reducing the hardness and also the size.
Okay.
Then we're going to remove some parts. Now once you're done, click on save, and then we're going to save this to our gallery. Press on done. Then we're going to open the background image.
Okay.
Okay. Now we're going to crop first this image. And we're going to add a photo.
Okay.
And then select the square portal. Now we're going to scroll down. Press on the check mark. And then scroll down. Go to draw. Press and draw, and then adjust the settings of the brush and press and set.
Okay.
Now we're going to make the inner part of the portal to be dark. Now we're going to reduce the opacity. We'll just have the blending options normal and reduce the opacity. So now once you're done, press on the check mark again. Next thing we're going to do is to add a photo. This time the dispersion effect. And we're going to rotate this to match our portal. And then scroll down to blend and then select screen. We'll be doing the same step for the next dispersion effect. Now once you're done, press on the check mark, and then we're going to add another photo. This time our model. Resize the image first,
Okay.
and then we're going to scroll down and find the adjustment levels. Now we're going to decrease the brightness, decrease the contrast, the saturation, We're also going to adjust the hue to change the color. And the highlights. Now press on the check mark again. And we're going to erase the overlapping hand from our portal. And press on the check mark. So the next thing we're going to do is to scroll down and go to draw again. Then we're going to draw using the brush. We're going to make the glow effect on our portal. I'll just fast forward in this part. Now we're going to add an empty layer. We're going to make highlights of our model. The same process, we're going to use the brush tool. Now, if you made any mistake, you can just use the eraser tool to erase the mistaken parts. And once you're done, press on the check mark. And then we're going to save this to our local gallery. Press on save and select save on device and press on done. Now we're going to open up our Lightroom and then export and import this image. So we have here our Lightroom. Then we're going to add a vignette first. So -20, -30, and then go to profiles and just select the artistic #1 effect and then adjust the slider. Press on the check and then we're going to save it to our device. So this is basically the final output of the flying portal effect in Picsart. That's it for this video, and let's try to hit 1K subscribers today. See you.